Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Faisal Khan, Head of IT, Sante Private Limited. हर organization में एक requirement exist करती है that their key resources or business analysts must be able to analyze the data and information according to the business requirements. And this requirement exists with us also since long, and we were actually trying to explore good trainers and consultants who can train our employees. And we found in the YouExcel, where actually we found them appropriate for conducting these sessions. And Alhamdulillah, we conducted this session on premises, and we found them perfect in terms of providing the relevant experience to individual users, and they came down to the level of the user in order to train and guide and coach him towards their goals. And furthermore, I would like to mention that I can recommend YouExcel for conducting these types of training sessions for business intelligence and business analysis.